In this video, I'll show you how to track your Temu orders in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. First, open the Temu app or temu.com and sign in. Step 2. Tap You and Your Orders or the Orders tab. Step 3. Select the specific order you want to track. Step 4. Tap Track and see current status, estimated delivery, and carrier updates. Step 5. Copy the tracking number if you want to check it on the carrier site. Step 6. Enable notifications in Temu for real-time updates. Last, if tracking stalls beyond the estimate, contact Temu support from the order page. Now, you can track every Temu order from your checkout to delivery. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.